This is my dad's Chinese spaghetti, a dish so easy anyone can make it, even if you're a beginner or you don't live near an Asian grocery store. It's a twist on our addictive ginger scallion lo mein, the classic.
好啦，朋友們，而家咧做一個薑葱撈麵。我今日咧就係用意大利麵。
Today's recipe is a simpler version of what we share on our blog and YouTube channel, where we made this with thin wonton noodles and additional ingredients.
好多朋友佢係唔一定買到我哋啲中國嘅炒麵或者嗰啲乾麵餅又好鮮麵啫，所以咧我就選擇用意大利麵。好多地方都可以買到呢個意大利麵啦。我咧就先切薑先嗬，我用2個安士嘅薑係切絲嘅。
Cut the peeled ginger into very thin slices.
咁就夠啦。
Now, lay down the slices in an overlapping row to chop into strips.
嗱呢啲咧你可以咁樣切又得，所以
We cover knife skills and cutting tips in Module 3, so feel free to revisit that if needed.
咁切薑絲咯，係嘛？
We'll place the ginger onto a plate, then move on to the green onions.
葱都係切絲，嗱啲葱好靚，自己種嘅啫
We're using about 3 ounces of green onion here.
葱尾翻開佢。
First, we'll cut off the green parts and place it to the side. Then we'll cut the rest into sections.
都可以用葱白多啲，用多個葱尾㗎啦。呢個葱尾都係切絲。
Cut the green onions lengthwise into thin strips.
咁樣疊齊佢啦。咁夾住。
This recipe is definitely going into our upcoming Cantonese cookbook coming out in early 2027. Until then, you can read early drafts at newsletter.mailflow.com. We'll cut just a few more stalks of green onion.
多啲葱多個薑。係啊，唔緊要啦。嗱，你又都可以咁打斜斜地切，唔一定好似我咁切喎，斜斜地就得㗎。嗱，斜斜地切。嗱。 葱尾咧，用另外一個方法就可以咁樣切嘅，斜刀切。嗱，睇下，一樣咁樣切，斜斜地咁切，就得啦。通常咧，我啲係紅葱頭嚟，紅葱嚟嘅，唔一定要用葱頭噶啦，咁就已經足夠噶啦。而家就開始煮呢個意大利麵先啊，開火，開到最大火，滾水之後咧。 就將呢個麵擺落去。我哋今日咧就係用12個安士啦，12個安士嘅意大利麵，呢度係唔使用晒，食唔晒一次呵。至於話你話要比例俾嗰啲薑，俾嗰啲葱，唔需要嘅，唔需要按照比例嚟做。嗱，你中意食多啲薑嘅，你俾多啲薑；中意食多啲葱嘅，你俾多啲葱。呢個冇乜比例一定嘅，嗱，將啲麵擺落去。 你自己撈麵嚟講，你再可以整斷咗呢隻都冇問題。滾咗擺落去咧，你就閂慢火得㗎啦。要慢慢煲呢啲意大利麵。
而家要煲10分鐘，
最少10分鐘。你煲到你認為咁嘅口感啱你㗎啦，咁你就得啦。其實咩麵都係要根據你自己嘅口感嚟做。你就算係用中國嘅麵條都好，都係要根據你自己嘅口感嚟做。有啲人中意食腍啲嘅，咪煮耐啲咯。好似啲有老人家佢唔。 啲牙冇咁好啊，咁咪中意煮腍啲嘅。呢個唔一定係規矩係幾腍慢火煲。
點解唔慢火啊？
呢個麵唔急得㗎，好似你燜豬肉咁樣燜排骨咁，你開猛火冇用㗎，咪燒乾晒啲水咯。乾晒水嘅時候，嗰啲麵都未腍。
A lot of workouts can be pretty boring and get repetitive quickly, but that's where ADDICTIVE comes in, which is a whole new set of gamified workouts that you don't want to skip. It kind of feels like having a workout arcade at home where your game is the workout and you have to row at certain speeds and durations to progress through each game. They also have lots of coaching programs and beginner tutorials if you're new to rowing, and if you want to tune out, you can row your boat through lakes or other immersive worlds, or you can watch Netflix or stream Made with Lau on YouTube while you're working out. And if you're into community and competition, they have leaderboards, lots of group-based workouts, and even live teammates in their gaming modes rowing alongside you. As far as the rower itself, it rows really smooth, and the screen swivels so you can do stretches or hybrid bootcamp workouts. The seat is probably the most comfortable padded workout seat I've ever used, and as far as I've seen, it's the first rower with foot pad adjustments. Plus, the whole machine is only 7 feet long and even soars upright. And if you want to mix it up, ADDICTIVE also offers a gamified treadmill and a bike. Rowing is perfect because it works nearly all of the major muscle groups, so if you want to give it a try, click the link in our description to get an exclusive discount on ADDICTIVE rows and products.
嗱，朋友們啦，而家咧個意大利麵咧就煮緊，另外用個鑊煮緊。我咧喺呢度咧就煮咗呢個薑葱汁。 煮好呢個時候咧，呢個麵就會煮好咗，一齊淋上去，咁就好快脆啦。開猛火燒鑊，呢個麵咧就落多少少油嚇，多少少油先好食。兩個湯匙油 ，OK， 燒咗油先。
可唔可以燒到啲油太熱啊？
唔好太熱，太熱嘅話咧，薑葱會一下燶晒就唔好啦。
點知道係太熱啊？
啊，你睇到燒啲油，有啲微地、輕輕地有啲油出嚟，知係嘛？個筷子係濕嘅，佢會有啲泡出嚟啊嘛。
Turn the heat setting to low, then add the ginger.
嚇，唔好太猛火，啲薑一下就燒燶晒啦。擺落去之後開翻中火，慢慢炒香啲薑佢，聞到啲薑嘅香味啦。然之後咧，我哋俾啲葱白落去。
點解做啲薑先啊？
就爆香啲薑先。
點解唔可以一齊做？
俾埋一齊咧，佢啲薑就冇咁容易爆啲香味出嚟啦，多咗啦嘛。咁你而家葱咧，另外俾落去一齊咧，咁就好啲啦。打開佢。
Adding everything at once may overcrowd the wok and introduce too much moisture for the oil to properly fry and bloom the aromatics.
而家開猛火。
When the ginger and white parts of the green onion smell fragrant, add the rest of the green onion to the wok and give everything a good stir. The next step is to add 12 ounces of water.
呢個麵咧，撈麵咧要多啲唔知汁好啲，唔使俾晒得。呢個真係12安士嘅麵，足夠。
Lower the heat setting to medium.
好啦，俾鹽1個茶匙，糖1個茶匙，蠔油1個湯匙，仲有雞粉半個茶匙。
When all the flavors are in, turn the heat setting down to low and stir everything together. To thicken the sauce, we'll need to prepare a cornstarch slurry. We'll start off with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with 1 tablespoon of water.
咁樣俾落去咧，如果係啱結嘅咧，你就咁；如果唔夠咧，你再俾。嗱，開火埋芡，
明我一直倒晒。
係慢慢落，一定要慢慢落。
We'll turn the heat to high to help the sauce reduce and thicken. Stir the sauce continuously so that it doesn't burn. If you prefer a thinner sauce, you don't have to use all the slurry. And if, like us, you prefer a thicker sauce, you may want to make and add even more slurry. We'll mix together an additional half a teaspoon of cornstarch and half a tablespoon of water.
咁 OK 啦。夠咗之後咧，就俾麻油啦，1個茶匙嘅麻油上去。
Turn off the heat completely, give the sauce a final stir, then set it aside to check on the spaghetti.
再嚟睇下呢個麵條，即係而家應該夠時間啦。
加埋細地煮幾耐啊
？20分鐘，要你嘅口感嚟決定。
Now we'll drain the water from the spaghetti.
Hả? 好，搞掂。嗱，朋友們，麵就煮好咗，沙士煮好咗。呢個麵咧，即刻做出嚟咧，就唔需要過冷河嘅。好啦，我哋將佢倒過嚟呢度，低調噶啦，係嘛？好啦，我哋將啲汁淋過嚟。哇，好多薑葱啊呢度。好啦，朋友們，呢個咧就係意大利麵嚟做薑葱撈麵啊！希望大家中意嗬。Good.
Really good. Oh, you're gonna have some? I was gonna finish it.
Okay.